Hey guys, Matt and Chad back here from Go Honda. We just got some parts back in there today. So what do we got here, Chad?
We got a few parts from K20. We got a thermostat housing plug and bracket, an idle air assist delete, and a purge port plug. We're going to be installing those today. And also at the end of our last video, we got the motor started, but we were on a bit of a time crunch. So we were only using quick start to keep it going, but we diagnosed it later and found an air intake leak in the intake manifolds. So we went ahead and took that off. We're going to put a new gasket in there and try to get it running under its own power today.
Sounds good.
Alright, so we got the intake manifold all sealed up. We got our K20 parts installed, and our high flow fuel pump just showed up. So we're going to put that in real quick. We also got a regulator and a gauge here to go with it. And we're just going to throw that in, then we'll get her fired up.
Okay, so we just got the high flow fuel pump in, and I think we're ready to rock. So we're going to plug in the battery and we're going to try to start it up for the first time. Feeling pretty confident. I think our fuel pump is our biggest issue, along with the intake gasket as well leaking. So we gotta still do some wiring, but this is just to try to get the run anyways. See what we can get going here.
Alright, we finally got her running pretty good there. We're going to order some turbo parts now, and we'll keep you updated on that. Hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll keep you updated with more videos.
Thanks, guys.